Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love having warm, cozy feet, then you need these moccasins from PAMIR.
When I tell you that these are the most perfect slipper I have ever worn, I am not joking. These are so comfortable. They are genuine suede on the outside, and they have this beautiful sheepskin collar across the front, and they have a thickened insole with 60% lamb's wool that keeps your feet so warm. It is freezing right now where I am, and these are so warm and cozy on my feet. My feet slip right into them. I have them in a size 9 and they are perfectly true to size. The best part about these is the nice hard sole that they have, where you can wear these indoors or outdoors, because I literally don't take them off so I can wear them when I go outside to get my mail or take my pups out for a walk. And they are cute enough that you could even wear them out on the town with a cute pair of jeans and no one would look twice at you. They are so comfy with the memory foam on the inside as well. I do not think I am going to take these things off until it is summertime.
So don't get cold feet. Get these moccasins from PAMIR. You are going to love them, and that is my point of view.